Ilang taon ako nabuhay sa tama, pero alam mo, Jack, hindi ako doon naging masaya.
The role of this girl named Diane, she's married. Piloto yung asawa niya, first and last boyfriend niya, college sweetheart niya. And yung pala, medyo babaero, nananakit. Pero tinitis niya kasi mahal niya yung family niya. Biglang she meets Albert.
When I see Sharon in the movie, I get very attracted to her. Lagi kami nakikita.
Iwas-iwasan mo nila, they fall in love. Among all the directors I've worked with, Olive is probably one of the closest friends.
Sharon can easily relate to the character.
Alam niya, pag imomotivate ako for a certain scene, alam niya kung saan ako huhugutin.
Yung size ni Sharon, when we started, she was really fat. She was big. Pero nung nagfi-film na kami, eto na siya. She was dieting, and every week she would do 6 pounds.
Ako naman, imbis na matuwa, yan yung parang naging problema kung paano i-match yung mga sequences na nabuksan na i-take pa namin yung remnants.
The story we had was tailor-made for her. And of course, since it's a love story, the first choice was, of course, Richard.
Nakakapagbigay si Richard sa akin ng different perspective.
Nakita ko si Olive this time, mas meticuloso siya.
So one time from an ocular inspection sa Batangas, parang heel. Tapos nakita akong bubong, and I said, stop. This is the loveness. Like, I want this location. The problems also was the fact that, you know, it's kind of period. Kasi it starts with sa year na 1986.
Mag-shooting ako na yung nakasuot ng gano'n. Tsaka yung talents, kami lang mga naka-1980s outfits na yung mga pads hanggang dito. Tsaka yung mga damit na hindi na mabili.
Talagang maraming tela na gamit. Padded shoulders, pumps na matulis ang harapan, tsaka mga heels nito ay medyo slim ng konti.
May eksena kami na Diane is saying goodbye. And it was so windy that time in Tagaytay. And gumagamit kami ng original sound. So pag sinabi ng audio man na cut direct kasi pangit yung audio. So hirap na hirap kami.
This is a kind of love story na nangyayari sa tunay na buhay. So, pag napanood nila itong pelikula to, madali silang makaka-relate. Madali nilang nakikita, ma-associate yung sarili nila dun sa mga characters na mapapanood nila sa pelikula.
My attitude has always been to learn something from every project that I do. And this project in particular taught me so much.
Pagkatrabaho ko sa Sharon, it's really different. I never thought and realized na kaya pala niyang gawin sa pelikula yung ganong klase.
It's a beautiful movie directed by Olive Lamasa.